What's up, guys? It's your boy Anakin here. Welcome back to another video. I'm looking straight in the camera because usually I'm just like this, but I'm actually looking straight in the camera. So we reached 20 subs, right? I want to try to reach 30, and that's the challenge. If we reach 30 subs, I'll give y'all guys a room tour. Now, all y'all guys can see is my bed, football sheets. You don't know what's over here. You can see a little bit over there. You don't know what my desk looks like. You don't know what over here looks like, but you see a little bit right there because I do play baseball. I got a new bag. And you also don't know what's under here, even though I already said that. But if we can reach 30 subs, I'll give y'all guys a full room tour. Now, hopefully we can hit it. I want to try to hit it March 1st. If we don't have it, I'll just go ahead and give y'all guys the room tour. Because y'all guys probably want to see my room. Because me and Kane don't have share rooms anymore. And usually the vids you'll see bunk beds. But one video you saw this. But I'll give y'all guys a room tour. March 1st, if we don't have 30 subs, I'll just go ahead. But right now, I really do want to give the room tour to you. But I'm going to wait till March 1st. So we don't hit it on March 1st, I'll give you a room tour. But I also want to try to hit it before February, which that won't happen. But on February 3rd, we don't hit it, then I'm just going to make a video saying, like, when I want to do the room tour, because we don't hit it by February 3rd, which will probably not happen because we only have 20. But I want to try to hit it so we can do it. I'll give y'all guys a room tour. And I hope y'all guys will have a great rest of your day. I'm going to go outside, play, because it is super nice where we live. 61 degrees outside. And it's also winter. We've been having like 30 degrees. One day it was only 11 degrees. 11. But I hope we can hit it. Hopefully y'all guys can enjoy the rest of your day. Go outside and play if it's warm where you are, especially Arizona. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And I want to give a shout out to, I'm going to start doing shout out of the day. I want to give a shout out to all my viewers out there. And yeah, so next video, which will probably be tomorrow maybe, I'll do another shout out, and yeah, peace.